Okay. So I'm editing the video. And the video of the drive to Montezuma from Nicera. So there are 3 ways that you can take that drive. So the first drive is the highway.
Yes, you have to go out to the highway, down the highway through Pequera, and then back into Montezuma. It's a pretty good road, but it's probably more than twice as far as going along the coast, which is a much prettier drive.
And so that's the one that we decided to take. And also when we talked to Vetus and Elizabeth and some other guy, I think, on the road when we stopped to get a drink, everyone seemed like we'd be able to do it. Probably 1 river crossing, but it was dry weather.
Vetus said 2 river crossings.
Oh, okay. And it was dry weather.
It was the dry season, and our 4x4 would have no problem. Except that when we went, the second river crossing was washed out. So we had to go back and do, Google Maps suggested we take a 3rd route in between those 2 routes. And it was a little hair-raising.
So hair-raising, because the other thing is our GPS stopped working.
Well, yes. So Google Maps showed that the road was washed out, and then it stopped working to tell us how to take that 3rd route. So we ended up going across the first river, and then when the Google Maps came back on, we realized that we missed the middle route. We had to turn around and go back.
So in the video, people are going to see us turning around and actually going back.
Yes.
And we had no idea what we were getting ourselves into. The other thing with the video is when you look at it, it doesn't look so bad, like us crossing these rivers. But up close, yeah, there's a lot of stuff that you can't really see in the video. Just trust us. It was not the pleasant.
It was nerve-wracking.
Yeah.
And it was getting dark.
Oh, right.
Right, so...
Right, I forgot about that.
It wasn't getting dark, but it was probably 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We had about an hour, maybe a bit more of daylight, and we didn't really know where we were. And we were crossing rivers, and I certainly didn't want to be crossing rivers in the dark, and we didn't know how long it would take us, so we were getting a little nervous. Mm-hmm. And then all of a sudden we popped up onto pavement about 10 minutes out of Montezuma. So that was a bit of a relief.
All right, folks, enjoy the video. Okay, 1 more river to cross, heading to Montezuma. This seems like a big one. Let's see how this guy's gonna go. Okay, so Buddy didn't come across. Oh, this is good. So we've got someone else. Elizabeth said just watch a couple people go over. Okay. These guys will have no problem. No problem. Nice job, babe. Just part of the highway system, I guess. Which one? This one, I know.
That one, he just went across.
Yeah.
Simple ramp. This one.
This is still more difficult. Yeah. Oh! The gnarly road was worth it because that's the view from up here. Holy. Thanks for holding on to me.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Come on. Further?
Over further.
Okay.
Keep going, baby. You gotta go over further. Keep going.
Okay.
They are.
Hey, guys. They're not used to people stopping. Hello. Second time. It seems softer over there.
Okay, we almost made it to Montezuma. I think we have like 10 kilometers. We thought we were done with rivers. And look what we have. But this one might be okay. It's also getting to be nightfall and it's beautiful. Oh babe, someone's coming. Wait a minute, I didn't like that. Okay, I think I'm done with rivers. Okay, I don't like the look of this one. Oh my cripe. Oh, okay, Brent, have some confidence because I'm a little really super nervous. Good job, buddy. I don't know.
Right?
No, I'm not. Are you sure?
Oh, now you're leaving it.
Okay, let's think before we go. Are we worried about, I'm not worried about this, I'm worried about that. But it looks maybe worse?
It looks a lot worse. It actually isn't that bad.
But what about that?
I think we're okay.
Okay, baby.
Okay? Made it. We weren't sure.
Watch the dogs. Oh my god. And more importantly, we have asphalt. Greatest invention ever. And bridges.